Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, fog lights, security system, power windows, compass, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, overhead console, remote keyless entry. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.